That know this and know peace, right? 90% of your actions in relationships determines how far your marriage will go. I repeat myself, 90% of your actions in relationship determines how far your marriage could go. Because some of you will blindly, because of one nonsense criteria or the other, right? You blindfoldedly, adamantly enter into marriage with the rubbish thought of, I will change him when we get married. You will change who? Are you Jesus Christ? Be caution and be careful of your action now that you're in a relationship. Be mindful of what you can tolerate and what you cannot tolerate now you're in a relationship. Because after now, your eye will clear. It is what it is.